How to download artifacts from Claude AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save Claude artifacts to your computer step by step. First, open Claude in your web browser or on your computer. Open the conversation that contains the artifact you want to download. Next, click on the artifact to open it in the dedicated pane, usually on the right side of the screen. Review the artifact and make sure you've selected the correct version. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the artifact window. You'll find options such as Download, Copy to Clipboard, and, for some artifacts, View Underlying Code. To save the artifact as a file, click Download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may see a save dialog. If a save dialog appears, choose the folder where you want to save the file and click Save. If the file downloads automatically, you can usually find it in your browser's Downloads folder. The file format will depend on the type of artifact you're downloading. For example, documents, images, and code may be saved using different file formats. You can also use Copy to Clipboard if you want to paste the artifact into another application instead of downloading it as a file. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an artifact from Claude AI and saved it to your computer. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Claude AI and AI tutorials.